How's it going, fellow traders? It's Magic Trader here, and this is the CFTC report for the data that was recorded on December 3rd, 2019. Here's a brief snapshot of the positions held as of that date. Okay, and so let's start by taking a look at what they've been doing with their gold positions. So, taking a look at gold. This data represents this candle here. Okay, right here. Okay, so as price was consolidating right before hitting the weekly area of demand, we see a big increase in longs from 325 to 346. Now, why such a big increase in longs? Does that mean they're going to start accumulating to push price up like this? No, that's not what took place. The reason why they added longs was to cause price to rally up into an area of supply that was located right here. That is now being used to facilitate the drop lower. That's why they added longs. Okay, and what else have they done? Look at shorts, 53,000 to 55,000. They're increasing shorts. Now, this is not meaning to me that it's going to start increasing from here. By all means, they're still taking care of their long positions. Okay, if they're going to start accumulating a short, it would be after some kind of a reaction from demand. That's what I'm expecting to take place. Okay, but right now we got long still very aggressive, 86%, and longs are the long exposure percentage is very high, and also the long positions are very aggressive. Okay, so still expecting some more profit taking on longs and then a bigger push to the downside. Next we have oil. Take a look at oil. We see some upward momentum here building, right? We've been very low on the range for quite some time, and I've been saying to the students and members of the school that we've seen some very strong evidence to suggest that price is eventually going to go higher. So we're looking for evidence of that, and we're starting to see that right now. So as price was dropping, they increased their shorts. Now, this discrepancy here is from contracts expiring, and I went into some detail about that in the Arujo report. So that's why they pumped it back up to 103. But if you take a look at longs, they dropped from 553 to 531, and this was as price dropping. Okay, we've since seen a rally form, and it's stuck in a range, waiting for one of the roadblocks to be taken down. But over the longer period of time, we are expecting price to go higher. Okay, so take a look at this here. We got the US dollar, and price is reacting exactly as we had been expecting it to react. Okay, and now we see longs are increasing from 29,000 to 31,000, and a massive increase in shorts. Quite substantial move from 5,000 to 7,300. That causes long exposure to drop from 85% to 81. And if you take a look here, net positions slightly dropped from a positive 24,000 to positive 23,000. That came just before price was about to drop. So what is going on right now? Well, we see the increase in shorts, we see price dropped, but I believe there's a very good chance that we're going to see more upside on this chart. All right. Now, I've detailed this on the Arujo report, also on the Forex Market Outlook videos, why we have the anticipation that price is going to continue to the upside. So we're watching the positions to see how they're going to adjust them to facilitate this move. So we're still watching to see if that is indeed what is going to take place. Aussie, look at this. Big increase, 52 to 57,000. That comes as price was declining here. And then shorts, 97 to 93. Profit taking on shorts down here. Okay, we've since seen a rally, but we still have this here holding price lower. Now, if you take a look, we've been very bearish for quite a long time. All right, back here in June, okay, they were very aggressive with their shorts. They took profits, it rallied. Then they accumulated a short again, back up to the 99s, and profit taking again, up to the highs, 97, down here, and now profit taking again. So what is going on here? Well, I want to point out something. Take a look at this here. Look at the coloration of longs. Very cooled off. Okay? Look what's going on now. Right? If this trend continues, we're looking at a potential for this area to break and price to go higher. So still in the early stages of that, but we are watching for that potential. US CAD, this one's an interesting one. Longs increased by 2,000, shorts increased by 4. We have price consolidating right here at the weekly area of supply. And if you take a look, very bearish, a little bit less so here, and they were very aggressive with the shorts, less so now. So what's going on? Well, we have an ascending structure holding price up here. Okay, you can see what's going on here. And we've uncovered a lot of evidence to suggest that price is going to go lower. Now that goes against what we're expecting with the dollar. So it's very interesting to see how this is going to play out. Really, really important what's going to happen right here. So we're watching this very closely because, like I said, we've uncovered evidence to suggest a move lower is going to take place. They were very aggressive with shorts, took profits, very aggressive with shorts here, and then they took profits again on those shorts, causing price to rally. So are they going to reaccumulate a short and then force it down? It's very possible. If they make another move to the downside, they will be attacking this trend line. Right now they are somewhat aggressive with their shorts, and they've been maintaining that for quite some time. So they may be ready to make a move like that. So we are watching this chart very closely. US Swiss franc longs are becoming aggressive, 27, 35, 37. Price reacts from supply to the downside with the US dollar weakness, but we may start to see a reaccumulation to take this out and push price higher. Hard to tell because price is stuck in a range. No proper structure or formations to hold price at this point. But look, take a look. Look here. Since August, what's been happening? Net positions getting more aggressive, okay, to the long side. So looks like they're trying to, looks like they're revealing their cards, and we should take note of that. Now we got the euro. Euro's not doing too much in terms of positions, but if we take a look here, excuse me, we have shorts increasing, longs decreasing, short percentage goes up 59, and here's the thing that I want to point out, net positions. Take a look here, big increase, negative 61,000 to now negative 69,000. So does that mean they're preparing for a move down? Well, I'll tell you what. We've gone over this in the school, and we've outlined what we are expecting for price to do and how it's to play out. So the data is not really showing us much of what they're going to do. What we are learning is what they're currently doing with their positions and how that's going to lead into what price is going to eventually do, because you could see here they've been neutral for a very long time, not really doing much with this. Okay, this coming week we have interest rates coming out for the euro, so that's going to be interesting. Might have a push to the upside to test this descending trend line, so we're watching for that. Next we have the pound US dollar. This one's a very interesting one, okay, because we have a push to the upside here on the chart and positions go up 38,000 to a very aggressive 47,000, considering where we were just a couple months ago. All right, so we were very aggressive short, they took profits which fueled the rally, and now we have supply, our demand causing price to go up. Supply looks like it's just about to break. Once it does, it opens up the floodgate for a move higher. Okay, so they are accumulating along. Take a look again. In October they were very cooled off, 25,000. Okay, almost doubled their long exposure. Longs are well above the 13 period. Okay, so they're above average size for longs, and they're below average size for shorts. This could fuel a big move like this. Okay, bearish, neutral, If it goes into bullish territory, watch for this continuation of the move to the upside. Next, we have the US dollar, Japanese yen. Look at this, guys and gals. October, they were very neutral. 59, 58, 70, 78, 80, 88, 96,000 longs. That comes as price rallies up here into the tested area. This could easily break, causing price to rally up like that. We are expecting more upside here. They were bearish, becoming bullish. This can easily continue. Yes, total size is starting to get aggressive, but the max is 286, so we still have lots of room for them to be adding. Okay. Last but not least, we have the Kiwi dollar, and we see price was consolidating before the push to the upside. So longs increased from 10 to 16,000. They decreased their shorts. So bottom line is total size have been somewhat aggressive. They were extremely aggressive here, and then they had to reduce their exposure to the short side, which they've done. And you can see now slowly they're increasing their longs, and we could see price come down and then eventually shoot higher. We've got obstacles that we need to fight through first, but I think the chart is telling us it wants to make a bigger push to the upside. Alright, ladies and gents, so that is your CFTC report for December 3rd. If you have any questions, you can reach us at www.whiteoakfx.com. Until next time, have yourself a great week. Take care.